Welcome to this presentation on DABP-NET, a hybrid genetic algorithm, backpropagation neural network with adaptive fitness-driven weight optimization for predictive fault detection in Industrial Internet of Things. This research was conducted by Dr. A. K. Sharma and published in 3rd March 2026. Today, we'll explore the key findings and contributions of this important work. Let's begin by understanding the problem this research addresses. Imagine the factories and power plants that keep our world running. They rely on complex machinery, and when even a small part fails, it can lead to massive disruptions and huge costs. Did you know that unplanned equipment failures cost global manufacturers over $50 billion every single year? That's a staggering amount. Our research tackles this critical problem in the Industrial Internet of Things, or IIoT, where countless sensors monitor machines. We need to detect faults early and accurately to prevent these catastrophic failures, save money, and keep our industries operating smoothly. That's the why behind our work. Think of our approach like a master sculptor creating a masterpiece. First, they roughly shape the stone, then they meticulously refine the details. Our GADP networks, similarly, traditional fault detection systems, like basic neural networks, are often like a sculptor who might start in the wrong place or get stuck on a less than perfect shape. Our method, GABP-NET, combines two powerful techniques: a genetic algorithm, which is like our sculptor's initial broad strokes, exploring many possibilities to find the best overall structure for our detection system. This global search helps us avoid bad starting points. Then, we use a backpropagation neural network, which is like the sculptor's fine chiseling, meticulously refining every detail to achieve peak performance. This two-step process ensures we get both the best overall design and the most precise tuning, making our system incredibly effective. We also add a final step to calibrate our system for real-world, imbalanced data, ensuring fairness in detection. So, how well did our smart sculptor perform? The results were outstanding. We tested GABP-NET on 3 different industrial datasets, including a real-world motor dataset with over 1 million sensor readings. Our system achieved classification accuracies of over 99% on one dataset, 98.76% on another, and 97.83% on the large industrial dataset. This is a big win. GABP-NET consistently outperformed all other leading methods, including advanced deep learning models like LSTM-MES and CNN-LSTM-MES, with statistically significant improvements. But here's the truly groundbreaking part: it did this with incredibly low resource usage. Our model is tiny, with 8 to 865 times fewer parameters than other high-performing systems, and it's lightning fast, processing data 1.7 to 115 times quicker. This means it's not just accurate, it's practical for real-time deployment right where the machines are, even on small, low-power devices. These results aren't just impressive numbers in a lab, they have profound implications for the world today. As the Industrial Internet of Things continues to expand, more and more machines are connected, generating vast amounts of data. Our GABP-NET provides a robust and efficient solution to a critical challenge in this smart industrial landscape. By accurately and quickly detecting potential faults, we can move from reactive repairs to proactive maintenance. This means less unexpected downtime, fewer costly repairs, and a significant boost in operational efficiency for factories, energy grids, and transportation systems. It helps companies save money, reduce waste, and improve safety, making our industrial infrastructure more reliable and resilient in an increasingly interconnected world. It's about making our machines not just smart, but truly dependable. So, what does all this mean for you, the everyday person, in the next 5 years? Our GABP-NET research will contribute to a future where the products you use every day, from your car to your smartphone, and even the electricity powering your home, are more reliable and potentially more affordable. How? Because the factories and systems that produce them will experience fewer unexpected breakdowns. This means smoother production lines, less waste, and ultimately, lower manufacturing costs that can be passed on to consumers. You will see fewer product defects, safer workplaces for those who build and maintain our infrastructure, and a more stable supply chain for essential goods. In essence, this research helps build a more dependable, efficient, and safer industrial backbone for our modern society. quietly improving the quality and availability of everything around us.